How you doing, everybody? Today we're going to change the brake pads on the 2006 Toyota Tundra. So we're gonna start right now. What I would like to do is loosen the wheel a little bit, the lug nuts, before you lift the vehicle up. So that way you won't have to try to loosen it up when it's up. Okay, we got the socket, size 21, and the breaker bar, 1/2 inch. I'm gonna go ahead and do it this way. Just loosen it up first, then jack it up. All right, second we're gonna get the Okay, now the tire is off the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and support it by a jack also, so that way it will not fall. Okay guys, now we're gonna go ahead and loosen this up. Take the tire off. Best thing to do is put the tire under the truck for extra safety. Now we're gonna go ahead and access the brake caliper and take the brakes out. Do is pry bar this. You gotta check your reservoir. If the brake reservoir, if it's full, make sure you take some brake fluid out, so that way it will not overflow on you. Yeah, you just gotta work your way in a little bit. Don't careful on damaging the rotor. See how I work my way in. Same thing in the other side. Okay. See that thing fall. You can take the brake pads off. Brake pads still got a little meat, but when you hold the brake, the truck kind of shakes a little bit. So I don't know if it's the brakes or the brake rotors. But I'm gonna go ahead and put new brakes and see how it is. Move on from there. And the other side, do the same thing. Now you're gonna replace it with the new brakes. All right, guys, that's the new brakes right here. That's how the new brake goes, like this. See? That's how the brake goes. Okay, so what I do is I just put this here like this. Put this right here. And now we're gonna put what I was looking for right here. What do you do with these wires right here? Little wires. Is Just trying to line it up. and like this. Same thing with the other one, you line it up. And you put it in, and there's another wire that you could put in right here, so that way this won't come out. Just turn it out till you see the little hose right there, and stick this in here like that, so it will not come out. Okay, the bottom side, the same thing. You find this piece, put it in here. This goes upward. Like this. It's supposed to go like this inside here. Okay. Now these act like they're shorter than the other one, but see that? Sometimes they're gonna act a little tough, but you can do. That's how they go, just like this. Right, guys, you line this up. Take this in here. This coming out a little bit from here. I don't know why, but the way it's supposed to go, that this getting into this little hose right here, just like that. And this side, same thing, just like this. It's supposed to be just like that. Okay guys, now you gotta put the tire back. Everything is back on ticked. I got these little wires in it. The brake is good. I'm gonna put the wheel back, and the other side you do the same thing. And when you get the tires put on, you torque them to, I think, 95 foot-pound. Then you pump the brake before you drive the truck, so that way it's safer to try your brake before you move the truck. All right guys, and we see you in the next video. Subscribe and like, please, for more videos. Thank you. All right guys, you start this by hand. Just make sure they're nice and snug. Before you put the truck down, and you get the torque spec and torque them to the right torque. I think it's 95 foot-pound. Yeah, 95 foot-pound of torque. The torque spec for this. All right, guys, subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you very much for watching. 83 foot-pound of torque. Right now we're gonna move it. We're gonna move the kitty cat and take the truck all the way down. Take it down.